Okay, palakpakan natin si Ron. Malakas siya. 2, 3.
Yung mabuhat.
Hihina siya. One more.
Humihina ka.
One more. Bro, sinong pinakamalakas sa inyo? Sinong talagang ano? Si Taguro. What's your name?
Hershey.
Hershey and Ron. Ron, matagal ka na nagbubuhat. Mukhang malakas ka naman talaga.
Hindi naman.
Alam mo weight mo?
48.
38 kilos? 48 kilos. Okay. 2 kilo na lang, pwede ka nang katayin. Pero,
Uy.
Ron, kaya mo siyang buhatin.
Siguro.
Sige, try.
Yan.
Okay, palakpakan natin si Ron, malakas siya. Palakpakan naman para kayo. Walang pumapalakpak sa mga tropa. Gagawin natin, in a moment, you go like this. In a moment, magkakaroon ng energy sa... Instantly, mararamdaman mo na humihina ka. But don't worry, babalik ko sa map. Okay lang, kunin ko muna. Close your hand. When I say lift, subukan mo siyang buhatin. You'll realize na parang you're getting weaker. Yes, you're feeling it now. Nagta-tremble yung knees, kaya pa. Iwanan ko ng konti 2, 3.
Yung mabuhat.
Hihina siya. One more.
Humihina ka.
One more. Bro, this is the clincher. Gusto ko mararamdaman ng lahat. Go like this. Ay, Nick pala to. Pare. Go like this, Nick. Feel that?
Hindi ka tulad kanina.
Feel that? Yung energy ni Ron, hawak-hawak ko ngayon. Try.
Tsaka nanginginig na yung legs.
Ako kinakabas.
Legs.
Ron, try natin.
May buwangan niyo ka.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. And now, babalik natin, Ron. Don't worry. Go like this again. Babalik natin yung aura. Everyone, do this for me, please. Bigyan natin ng energy si Ron.
Give me some energy. Come on.
Let's go, everyone!
Come on.
Go like this. Go like this. Go like that. Try do this. Yes, you feel now? Ron? Instantly, you can lift her up.
Check.
Let's go!
Ang galing ko.
Thank you so much, everyone. My name is Nomar. Thank you so much.